Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Hey guys, today we're here with Deva Bratt, yeah man, Mr. Factually himself, with West Was One Part 1 official extra clip. So I think this is an animated video just by looking at the logo. Big up yourself, big up yourself, OMG TV, big up yourself. Jump in the one and see, cause apparently I'm in this video. I don't know, somebody tell me something in the video. So we're gonna break down the video. We don't break down the lyrics already and everything. So we're gonna break down the video and see what go on the other one. Let's go, MG, let's go. West Was One.
Actually.
Alright. Hot class.
Hey, I'm Rombre.
Crucial Conflict Records.
I got a mission to do, my friend. Me, my gun, I tell you, contigo. Me and my gun.
Hold on, man.
Me, my gun, I tell you.
A teacher that.
Contigo. Me and my gun. That's all I need.
So, me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me Smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man.
When them say the Jeep and the horseback, horseback riding in the skating in the town, you know. Everybody got idea, you know, everybody knows you have a crime time, you know. You know, man.
One, me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me Smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man. Me ride through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them have 1 million. Panda man now wanted by the bounties and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them what aim name and them say last man stand. Me ask
you ask him name is the last man stand. Obviously a cartel say last man standing. And then see a cartel on the poster too. Alright.
Wanted by the bounties and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them what him name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say Gaza land. Me one saggle out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like Mandalian. The first man recite a black rhino and him ran me game.
Rhino, look at yourself, stinger. Rhino. Why they put cartel in a pink door? My youth. You see the youth I met that video, you're not trouble, you know. Let me take off my glasses, because you're not bum buckler. You're not trouble, you know, you. You're not trouble. Me tell you, say you're not trouble. Alright, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't put the man in a pink dog.
With me chrome pistol that shine like Mandalian. The first man recite a black rhino and him ran me game. Pines in a foot in face strapping in the pig pan. Put one in I made and continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby in the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun no time on. A tree store we building him, drop off and drop blam the one in a...
You want to try to kick up a star, but we hit the man. We hit the man. I'm trying to kick up a star and shoot the gun no time on. Alright. I look like shot star, yeah.
I try to kick up a star and shoot the gun no time on. A tree store we building him, drop off and drop blam the one in the out there. In a suit like jam, me go suck on my arm slam sound like a bomb.
I was driving to that. Now look like driving to though.
Drop off and drop blam the one in the out there. In a suit like jam, me go suck on my arm slam sound like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20.
Look at the cartel move. Look at the cartel move. Yo. Brother. Yo, do you make this look like cartel? I'll tell you this.
Who like jam, me go suck on my arm slam sound like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20 piece of press up, every warm him head or him hand, so no ask whatever they pan. Clap corn in a face from a war, them the pan.
Clap corn in a face, the popcorn get it to him. Jesus Christ.
So every warm him head or him hand, so no ask whatever they pan. Corn in a face from a war, them the pan, now them the pan. Me need the money, I'm a desk man. Me and me gun married, me a the groom and best man. In the Wild West, me have the vilest, quickest hand. Kick the door of the casino. Me no ask questions, sight him a gamble. With dirty Harry and Charles Branson. Put shot past scatter him, say, where you from?
The amount of blood clad this scatter get from the year start. Scatter, you don't want to know this from the year start.
Hey,
you don't want to know this from the year, MG.
I tell you, I got a mission to do, my friend. Me, my gun, I tell you, contigo. Me and my gun. That's all I need.
So, me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me trigger finger rest pan. Me Smith a West and figgy them a lesson, me no bless man. Me ride through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head them have 1 million. Panda man now wanted by the bounties and gangsters in Piang. Me ask them what him name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say Gaza land. Me one saggle out a riding past stallion with me chrome pistol that shine like Mandalian. The first man recite a black rhino and him ran me game. Pines in a foot in face strapping in the pig pan. Put one in my made and continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby in the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun, no time on. A 3-story building, him drop off and drop blam. The one in the out there, in a suit like jam. Me go suck on my armor slam, sound like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20 piece of peso, be warm him head or him hand. So no ask whatever they pan. Clock down in a face from a war, them the pan, now what them the pan. Me need the money, I'm a desk man. Me and me gun married, me a the groom and best man. In the wild
Man,
west,
full of
me
chain
have the
like rolling
violence,
calf,
quickest man. Kick the door of the casino. Me no ask questions, sight him a gamble. With dirty Harry and Charles Branson. Put shot past scatter him, say, where you from? Me tell him, say me represent the
Legal
crucial
lad.
clan. I try fi offer me a drink, I try fi pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No give me the vibes one. Me know say
I shoot the vibes. Well,
me a
no,
drink, I try fi pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No give me
straight vibes. Me shoot up straight vibes to pussy clout. Man, but I shot right through straight vibes. Yo, the person who made the video, talented, you're fucking a dog. I don't get a name it, bro, but big up yourself, my fam. OMG TV, big up.
the crucial clan. I try fi offer me a drink, I try fi pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No give me the vibes one. Me know say him a Judas double crossing, like a snake in the grass. That double blast, you're gonna be the last one. Wait, me the door push.
Matsu start. Sus!
I see me go snake in the grass, that double blast, you're gonna be the last one. Wait, me the door push. No prom push. No mad dog, mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in 9 foot. Should allow the bad squad the country go and go chop bush. The sheriff and the senator each up in the passage. When me swing the berita, the damage I go savage. He must scream like
Savage.
Erica shot bust him perish. Should have never become an handbag and get carried.
Savage. You should have never become a handbag and get carried away. Don't get carried away. Don't get ahead of yourself. We are doing this.
Scream like Erica shot bust him perish. Should have never become an handbag and get carried away. Bumbleclaw. Missy Mooney run. Brother, me they ever shot him, me throw me gun. Gun on the cook him name and him show the ground. Not even Quagmire wedding suit not done.
Because him kill Moon, you know, say Moon at the tailor. We make the clothes them for cartel, make the suit them. Him say because him do all of that to Mooney, now Quagmire wedding suit not done. Like
Gun on the cook him name and him show the ground. Not even Quagmire.
So this see them.
Wedding suit not done. When gunshot up.
Say man go up see them. How them blood?
Bumbleclaw. Missy Mooney run. Brother, me they ever shot him, me throw me gun. Gun on the cook him name and him show the ground. Not even Quagmire wedding suit not done. When gunshot a beat in a second teach she sheep them a lesson.
When gunshot a beat in a second teach she. So who that a while ago?
When
Lisa for
wedding
that?
suit not done. When gunshot a beat in a second teach
Look at Lisa.
the sheep them a lesson. The right over me left hand and I shoot it like a Beckham. Guns in session, me no need confession. Since you not apologize, look up in me weapon. This should have never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shot.
No me that. How is the blood clot? Me a referee. No me a referee. Him give me chain this time. You fucker you. You shouldn't give me no chain. You shouldn't give me no chain. Yeah. Last time you left me neck, my blood clot neck beer. You left me neck beer. No me get chain. Home to you chain for me. Chain me. Blood clot. Me look like rolling calf. Everybody else look like rolling calf and rolling calfers. So now I look like rolling calf too. Oh sick clot. Me get chain too. Yeah.
Should have never try black ball or black
Yeah,
talent.
referee, though.
No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you never know what's coming. One back.
I don't know if that was like by a while ago.
You not apologize. Look up in me weapon. This should have never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you
Enough of that.
never know what's coming. One bag of chatting in the war and a lament. Boy, go for the voodoo stick with the lament. Gosh,
Go for the voodoo stick with the lament. Go for the water stick. Go for the Baphomet stick with the lament.
man, I cut short the comment like a damn egg. Send for now around the nightly fix panel. CNN, primetime news every channel. Look up in.
They got Nara.
Send for now around the nightly fix panel. CNN, primetime news every channel. Look up in the Smith and West spin barrel. White shirt and red and a wine and a sorrel.
What one that, you know? What one that? Oh my God, TV, big up. Big up yourself, my G. You're talented, you're fuck. Yeah, man. Filming creatively. Big up yourself, my G. You're talented, you're fuck, dog. Big up man thing. You're talented from. Yo, you know what work? You probably put in all that to make sure that everything go right or everything match with what the lyrics I say. Yo. Yo, big up yourself, my G. As I'm gonna say, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Never the people that want video still, no. The people that want actual video, no, bro. I'm gonna tell you that thing, that. The people that want actually video, bro. So, make it happen, man. If I even 2 video, man. 2 video a month, bro. Come on, it can't go on, man. Make it happen, man. You see me? But yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this one, man. And I'll catch you guys in the comment section, alright? I'll catch you down there. Peace.
Then you never know what's up hard. The girl them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game a reaction. Girl from Puffy, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal Tigo, Gal Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know what's the best representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?